Bullish Lunc exemplary cost predictions range from $0 to $23. Market analysts think Lunc could reach $0-$25. The expected cost of the Lunc exemplary market in 2023 is $0. Lunc excellent presentation. The wild price volatility of digital currencies is hard for both buyers and sellers. The speed and frequency of changes in a short amount of time can be scary for people who are just starting out. Helpers with money. The need for a digital currency that mimics the value stability of the fiat monetary market while keeping the speed and protection of digital currencies like Bitcoin led to the development of Lunc. Lunc Excellent was sent in 2018, and its blockchain was delivered in 2019. The stablecoin innovation platform combines the value stability of real government-issued money with the security features of Bitcoin. It would also send quick and fair trades through its unstable money. Lunc Luna Exemplary is an organized public blockchain gathering. Lunc Excellent was in charge of the US Lunc's algorithmic stablecoin, which sadly got depegged and dove to what seems like its death because of shaky economic conditions caused by the crypto downturn of 2022 and made worse by it. In May, the Luna Exemplary went down, causing the Luna Exemplary to split into two different groups. Luna Exemplary cost forecast in the Lunc chain. The Lunc Exemplary has since gotten rid of the stench of death left by what seemed to be the sudden destruction of the US and put into high gear processes that will push the digital currency towards the achievement of its goals even without the US, while the new Lunc chain will focus on fostering the most exceptional UX/UI plans started by the Lunc Exemplary with the help of the Luna People Group and wants to make Lunc. This estimate is based on the Tendermint tech, which lets people stake their Lunc resources as protection for a chance to accept trades on the Lunc organization and get payments that are roughly equal to the value of their staked resources, even though the UST is still after them. Fiasco Lunc Outstanding provides a reliable global installment arrangements through stablecoins innovation which stakes digital forms of money to government-issued forms of money, but the cost at a somewhat low level compared to the value of the chain and a little flowing stock. There is no doubt that the Lunc Exemplary would find its way back to the highest point of the crypto market-wide. The results of ongoing investigations into the US crash could delay the chain's huge price growth or even kill its chances of a comeback. On the other hand, the results of the investigations could spur huge growth. As of right now, Lunc Outstanding is worth nothing. Lunc has changed 19.86% as of now, and there have been $383,159,575 worth of trades. Lunc Exemplary is currently the 67th most valuable digital currency, with a market price of $646,297,897 Using the above diagram's general strength record moving weight at normal Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference, we can figure out cost designs for Lunc Exemplary to figure out if we're going to have a bullish or negative year. Our cost expectation conjectures use constant Lunc Exemplary to figure out if we're going to have a bullish or negative year. Market information and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. Lunc Excellent Value Expectation 2023. From some points of view, Lunc is one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The Lunc price for 2023 is expected to go up a lot in the last part of the year, maybe even to $0. As with other digital currencies, the rise will be slow, but there shouldn't be any big drops. Averaging $0 is a very ambitious goal, but it can be reached soon if everyone works together. Lunc is meant to be worth nothing at the start. Lunc Exemplary Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024 Lunc Exemplary, due to the predicted declarations of many new groups and drives, Lunc cost estimates have a lot of room to grow. We think that the cost of Lunc will soon be more than $0. Still, we should wait to see if the Lunc's overall strength record comes out of the depressed zone before putting down any positive trades. Bets that take into account how hard it is to predict the market. The base exchange rate for Lunc will be $0. Usually, swapping money costs nothing. Lunc example value forecast 2025, if the trend stays the same, it could hit $0 if it keeps going up and down. If the market goes through a decay, it could be good for Lunc. The goal might not be reached. Lunc is expected to trade for an average of $0 and a low of $0 in 2025. Lunc exemplary value expectation for 2026. If Lunc exemplary supports market sentiment among cryptocurrency fans, the price of Lunc coins could stay stable for the next 5 years. According to our predictions, Lunc will be green in 2026 and is expected to reach and surpass its all-time high. In 2026, the virtual cash will be worth nothing and will have a starting cost of nothing. Usually, it costs nothing. Lunc excellent value expectation 2027. After a lot of guanjing and specialist research, we estimate the Lunc cost as opposed to crossing a $0 average value level. 2027 with a starting cost of $0 before the end of the year. Also, Lunc is worth $0 at its highest value. Lunc excellent value expectation 2028, we expect that a bullish pattern will keep pushing the average price to around $0. If Lunc manages to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a maximum price of $0. If LUNC doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, it could get a low of $0. Lunc excellent value prediction 2029, Lunc is trying to make it easier for organizations to talk to each other. The rising trend from last year is expected to continue. So the base transaction cost has been set at $0, which is close to $0 a year. 2029 Lunc exemplary value prediction. By 2030, Lunc exemplary will finally do better than its previous ADH values and set new cost levels. The starting price could be nothing. Average out to $0, with the highest value worth $0 and the lowest value worth $0. Lunc outstanding value expectation 2031. The cryptocurrency market is known to be very unpredictable, which is one of the reasons why cost estimating is such a hard task. It tries to predict future prices as accurately as possible. But all predictions shouldn't be taken as financial advice, and you should do your own research. So, the highest price of Lunc is expected to be $0 in 2031, in the case of a bull run, with an average price of $0, and the launch of Lunc marked a continuation of the steady push of cryptographic forms of money to the world through a mix of creative innovation and tools with speed and skill, backed by large partners. As long as Lunc is around, it will have a big effect on the autonomous application field. Even though Luna has had some recent setbacks, it is still moving toward its goal of worldwide acceptance and use of cryptographic money.